So I'm outside the beautiful Leviathan studio where I've set up a stick. The stick is to give me feedback on my poi patterns, because I noticed that my patterns have gotten super sloppy. So I've taken on a 30-day challenge and I am going to improve, especially my box anti-spin. And the stick gives me some feedback. I can see whether I've got my up loop and my down loop right on my vertical axis. I can even try to stall up and down the stick. Nice feedback. And on my box anti-spin, I can really try to paint down and up the side of the stick to see whether I've got the pattern the way I want. And I'm definitely seeing improvement. There's two patterns I'm playing with that switch between anti-spin and in-spin. One of them goes between diamond anti-spin and horizontal in-spins. It's got a 4/4 rhythm. It goes 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. I really like practicing 4/4 rhythms, or 3/4, but something I can do musically because it makes it a lot more interesting. The box anti-spin version I'm playing with, let's see, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 4 1 2 3 4 1. I invite you to do this with me, and of course make up your own patterns. I mean, these are just some that I've stumbled on so far, and once they're working, I'll make new ones and I'll keep posting what I'm doing if you find that useful. We're going to move on to moving between where we start combining in-spin and anti-spin in the patterns like this, where we can do a hybrid, both anti-spin, both in-spin, back to hybrids, and blend them all together. But that's future videos. Nick Woolsey, Playpoi, reporting from Leviathan Studio, and it's awesome here. And I consider coming for one of the Leviathan Poi retreats, or come to Costa Rica, which is also awesome. I'm hoping, I don't know if it's straight, I want to disappear into the stick, but it might not work.